Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Saeco Barista Espresso machine. Now this machine was brought here because it was having error 2. That error means that the grinder was not detecting beans and it was just having trouble grinding coffee overall. So we had to replace this thing. This is the older one of the machine, as you can see. We replaced it with a brand new one, readjusted the settings. We are now using a or it will be number 8 setting from 1 to 10. We're using number 8 setting and a little bit more coffee as well. There you go. And now we're going to be testing it out, starting with 1 shot of espresso. We will not be able to use the hot water or anything like that because we do not have this adapter on the machine. There you go. As you can see, the machine definitely was grinding beans. Now we do not have the spouts over here, so it's going to shoot a little bit violent, as we do not have the little adapter that goes through here that makes it smoother to go into the cup. As you can see, we're having an excellent color coming out of the machine. Really great crema as well. There you can see much better leather. Good shot of espresso coming out of the machine. And that wasn't the only shot of espresso that we did in this machine, as we did quite a lot of others right through here. You can see the previous shots as well, or the shots that we did of this machine. We've been grinding this for quite a while and we haven't got any issues with the grinder. We calibrated to the grinder as well. So you would like to have more crema or a much more stronger fiber, you can increase the grind size, make it more finer from here. So there you have it. Saeco Barista grinding once again. Again, nice and steady stream coming out of the spouts. And in excellent color as well. Like I said, it's gonna be a little bit messy because I do not have the spouts of the machine, the one that goes through here and redirects the flow coming out through the spout into the cup in much cleaner way. So there you have it. Saeco Barista working once again with a new grinder and ready to brew. Thank you so much for repairing your Kanen coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day. And thanks for watching.